Hey guys, I want to go over how to submit your artwork, not just for this assignment, but for all assignments. This pretty much follows the same thing. One thing that'll be slightly different is when we get to turning in your journals, but pretty much all the other projects, we're going to follow the same format. So I'm going to click on the assignment. And you can tell the difference between the assignments and the instructions, not just because the instructions say instruction, but the assignments are kind of shifted in a little bit, and they also have a point value attached to them. So I'm going to click on Collaborative Art in Submission Practice, because we're practicing how to turn things in. And eventually my computer will decide to catch up. Okay, this assignment is nice and simple. It says that we need to include a photo of us with our collaborative artwork, which is the part on the transparency sheet that you made. And it also says to make sure you have the white paper behind it, because obviously it's really hard to see if you don't. So make sure you put the white paper behind it. Let's see here. Okay, so first thing we need to do is take a picture. If you don't already see the camera app right down here on your Chromebook, then you just need to swipe up with 2 fingers on that little black bar at the bottom, and then swipe up again. And you should see the camera app somewhere here. I would highly recommend going ahead and clicking and dragging that camera onto your toolbar, because you're going to be needing to access that quite a bit this semester. And it's a lot easier to just go ahead and click it when it's there. All right, so I'm going to open up my camera here. And it's really important that when you take your pictures, you make sure your fingers are not in the way of your artwork and that we can see some part of your face. And let's see here, make sure the lighting is as best you can get it. Sometimes angling your computer a certain way is better. You'll notice sometimes if you have your computer angled up in the classroom, the fluorescent lights will make it really, really bright. So sometimes angling down is a little bit better. There is an option on here to set a timer. I think I have mine already on there. Yep. It was like I knew it was going to click. Okay, there we go. So I've taken my picture. Now what I need to do is I need to load that picture onto my assignment. So I'm going to click on Submit Assignment, and that will open up this box here. And you'll notice that there's not a whole lot to do. We just need to choose a file. So we're going to look for the file that of the image we just took. Sorry, I have many pictures on here. So the easiest way to do that is to go all the way at the top there in your files and click on Recent. And there's my picture. Another little helpful tip here, you can see like a thumbnail view of a whole lot of stuff I've got going on in my files. If your files look like this, it's a little harder to see what you're clicking on. So to make it so you're seeing all the thumbnails, you can just click that little button right there. So that changes it from list to thumbnails. I prefer that when I'm searching for pictures. All right, so I'm going to open up that file. So I've done the first thing. I have added a photo of myself with the white paper behind my transparency. Then in this comments section, I'm going to respond to question number 2. It says, after watching the art teacher videos, what is something that you have in common with me? So I'm going to write, Miss Braun, I also love the Umbrella Academy. If I can spell Academy. So that in general is how the format we're going to follow for the rest of the semester. Sometimes you have to upload more than one picture. So if that is the case, you'll just click on Add Another File and it'll let you upload another picture. This question, the second part, is usually some sort of reflection about the artwork that you made. Like, what was your favorite part of this project? And so you will still type your answer in the comments section. So that's it. You have a photo, file upload, and a comment response. So once you have done that, then you can submit your assignment. It only takes about 5 minutes, maybe, tops. All right. Last thing I want to point out is if you make an oopsie, and it seems to be the most common mistake that people make, is they just don't pay attention to the assignment. If there are multiple assignments open when you're turning something in, they might actually accidentally submit the wrong picture and the wrong assignment. It's okay. You can fix it. Just go to the assignment where you meant to submit your work and click the resubmit assignment button. So there's always that option. I don't think there's too many times where we completely lock something down. So if you forgot to do something, feel free to resubmit your work. Alrighty, I hope this is helpful. And as always, we can't wait to see what you guys make.